Today, we must ring the peace bell with extra force and conviction. We need this beautiful sound to be heard above the voices of discord and extremism that have sparked violence in recent days. On this day devoted to non-violence, let us proclaim again that hatred only fuels hatred, that violence only breeds violence. The cycle of attack and revenge, of provocation and recrimination gets us nowhere. It destroys when our duty is to build. In these tense global times, we need a message of tolerance, dialogue, cooperation, and harmony to resonate across the world. I'm grateful to all of you here for using your great talents and your global stature to spread that message far and wide. In doing so, you help the human family find the path of sustainable peace. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call for a moment of silence, our tribute to the fallen and our symbol of commitment to the meaning of day. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The Secretary General will now ring the peace bell.